Welcome to That Stat Man. Today we're looking at the EL600f smart home thermostat from Salus. This is what you get in the box, minus the packaging. You receive the thermostat itself, very smart looking little device, quite thin, very compact. You also receive a very heavy charging docking station, which plugs in via USB-C, and that is magnetic onto there, and as you can see it's now charging. And also you get 3 different mounting options where you can place that over a existing back box, and you also have the option of sticky pad on the back of there, and you can stick that to the wall, and then this sticks to it. So then all you've got on your wall is that, which makes it look quite tidy. Or if you've taken off an old stat and you wish to cover the plate up, you have this, which is silver, magnets on the back, you can attach there on the wall. So 3 different options of installation. Now we're going to go across to our test board and wire up the Rx10rf receiver and the hub to the EL600rf. Hello and welcome back to That Stat Man. Today we are looking at connecting the EL600f thermostat with the Rx10rf boiler receiver and connecting both to the UG600 hub, and then using the app to control the heating. Firstly, we'll go through the wiring of the Rx10rf. Inside the Rx10rf, you will see neutral, live, and live loop, which comes out to the common, and then normally open, which would go to your zone valve or your switch live to the boiler. These 2 connections can be volt free, and if they are and your boiler is volt free, do not connect the live to common, just run both cables straight back to the boiler on the 0 volt connection. Place the case back on, catches at the top, down to the bottom, 2 screws underneath, that secures it back on, and then we can power up. Once you power up, you'll see the red light will flash, green light will flash, and then the red light will flash until it's paired. Now, you don't have to, but I think it's always best to do a full factory reset, which is a long press in the bottom of the device. Hold it in for 10 seconds, and you'll see red flash, green flash, back to a red flash, like so. And then we can press the left hand button once, which is to put it into pairing mode, and then you can go to your app, to the 3 lines at the top, select equipment and all equipment, like so, and then add new device, scan for equipment, and you'll see the hub flashing red. This has gone straight to solid red, which means it has found it on the app. We want the IT600 boiler receiver, so we'll connect to that. Name this Rx10, and go to next. Next step is to connect the thermostat to the app, and then we can tell the app that the thermostat is controlling the boiler receiver. The best way of doing this is to press the confirm button on the top to light up the screen, and then hold it in again for about 3 seconds, where you will see SD. Turn the dial to FR for factory reset, and click the top button again, then turn the dial to confirm to yes, and it will do a full reset. Then you know it's in pairing mode. You can then go to scan for equipment. This may well find my other boiler receiver. If it does, we just won't connect it again. There we go. We'll just select the thermostat, connect. We'll call it heating. Next, go to settings, and settings again, and here's where you then tell what it's doing. So you've got the choice of a wiring center, underfloor, smart radiator valve, smart relay plug, or boiler receiver, which we are. And then you've got the new Rx30, the Rx10rf, which this one is. We select that, and then it will report back to the cloud. And it sometimes can take a while, sometimes it's very quick. And then we go finish. Once you have it all connected, you'll see your dashboard looking like this. You can unpin the hub if you wish by pressing that little drawing pin there, and then when you go back, you'll just have the thermostat, which you can then open up and turn up 31 degrees, and switches on. And if we check the thermostat, if I turn this, it should say 30.5 because I've turned it to wake it up. And we can turn it down on the thermostat, go to 15 degrees. You can either leave it or press the confirm button. It will work either way, and you can see the app's changed to 15 degrees. And that is basically all we need to do. You have been watching That Statman. Please like, subscribe and follow. Any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I shall answer them as fast as I can. Thank you.